Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my Inspired Bible, and I am in the book of Psalms, chapter 28, starting in verse 6, where it says, "Praise the Lord, for he has heard my cry for mercy. The Lord is my strength and my shield. I will trust him with all my heart. He helps me, and my heart is full of joy. I burst out into songs of thanksgiving." And so when I was looking to see what I wanted to do for my entry this week, I was going through some of my scrapbook stuff that I had in my stash, and I actually used the same stuff in my plan with me this week, so I will put the link for that video down below. But I found some really cute scrapbooking supplies that I had purchased a long time ago. These are from, I'm sure, 2010 or something like that, but it doesn't have the date on it. It is designed by David Walker and is by the company ColorBok. And I have some stickers here, and I really liked this one here that says "Be Happy." And I just think they're so cute, and when I saw that "Be Happy," I wanted to find a passage that talked about happiness and joy in the Lord. So that's why I'm choosing these things. And I just think this is a great passage of just reverence to God and how he gives us joy in our life if we have faith and trust in him. So I have this set here. They're cardstock stickers, and then these are regular stickers. And then it has a coordinating border strip, as well as these prints of patterned paper here. And then there is a sheet of vellum stickers that go along with it. So I'm hoping to pull some of these out too. So let's clear this stuff off and get started. Alright guys, so here's my final entry. I hope you liked it. I think it turned out really pretty, and it was just a simple sticker entry. I used a little bit of colored pencil to highlight the verse there, and then went in with the sticker letters to spell out "My heart is filled with joy." And I used this super cute sticker here that says "Be Happy." So these stickers here were the border strip that was around the letters, and I just think it turned out really pretty. I love how the color really shows up once you put it on the page. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.